Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited. I'm doing an unboxing of both sizes of the Morphe mystery boxes. I don't know if any of you have had a similar experience, but so far, ever since I ordered this on Black Friday, I've been like refreshing YouTube, looking for videos to be made about unboxings of these. And so far I've been pretty disappointed, which is sad, but I'm hoping that this will be a somewhat redeeming video for Morphe. But then again, it's Morphe, like they're pretty cash grabby, so even if I get complete crap products, I wouldn't be in any way surprised. Haha, surprise. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing today. I also wore pretty minimal makeup, so if I get a fun palette that I could play with, I might do a quick look with it. So without further ado, let's get to the reason why you're watching this and unbox. I'm going to start with the 5-piece eye collection. This one was $35 and is supposed to have 5 items, all eye items. So I'm not good at this, if you couldn't tell. Okay. If I get a friggin' neutral palette that I already have, I'm literally going to cry. Okay, we're not off to a great start. So this is what the box looks like. We've got the 25B Bronzed Mocha palette. I'm assuming is another boring neutral palette that everyone has like 20 versions of, but it's whatever. I'm the one who bought the box. That's my fault for being a stupid consumer. But we also got these brushes right here. I'm gonna open them in a second. And these lashes. So first impressions, personally, I don't think a palette of this size that I think on the Morphe website is on sale for like $9-12 right now. I don't think that, along with like a couple brushes, is worth $35 when you could have just paid $15 more to get the big one with 9 things. So right off the bat, very unimpressed with the size of this. I've seen people get full palettes in the $35 box, so let's see what she looks like. Yeah, just as I expected. Not bad, but not good. I'm a little disappointed, but I could get some use out of like the cool toned ones as a contour, and the burgundy. I use burgundy a lot in my everyday looks, so that'll be useful, which is fine. Now, let's see, the lashes are in Luxurious. They're pretty cute. I think these are good quality looking lashes, but we shall see. And the brushes, I don't think you guys probably care about what kind I got, like the names of them, but comment below and I'll comment back if you want to know that. This one looks like a pretty, is that a blending brush? Yeah, I think it's just a pretty big fluffy blending brush, which I'm down for. I need more of those always, so I'm not too mad about that. What is this? Oh, fuck. Oh my god, I almost cut the bristles. That would have been... Oh, god. Why do I think I can do YouTube? I actually don't know what this one would be used for. Maybe like wetting and packing on a shadow, or maybe concealer. I don't know, but I'm not a big fan of that one. I'm gonna cut it this way this time. Honestly, my dumbass would like cut off the bristles in the first unboxing. And then this one is just a super, I think like a more precise blending brush, which I'm stoked on as well. So overall, I'd say out of 10, I'm like at a 7 for excitement of this one. All right, so moving on to the next one. This box feels a little heavier, which gives me like slightly higher hopes, because when like palettes are more weighted, then they're usually better quality. So let's see. All right, so this is what we're looking at right now. I've never heard of this palette before. All right, we're opening her up. Let's see. Oh, come on. I'm so sad. They're like mostly shimmers that I definitely already have and like super cool toned. Like, I'm not down for it. So I'm pretty disappointed. Okay. Also, while I'm unboxing these kind of crappy, like, last minute thrown together products, I just wanted to talk about, like, the issue with brands like these kind of putting out crappy, like, money grabby products. Like, I feel like brands like Jeffree Star set out the expectation that mystery boxes, if they pay, like, a decent price for it, like the $50 box, then they should get like a decent value for it. And I think that Morphe kind of took advantage of that, because in my box and the majority of the videos I've seen, everyone's gotten kind of like crappy palettes that Morphe can't really sell. Like that cool toned one, that is bullshit. Like, I'm really upset about that. Like, for $50 giving me like, I don't know, like one of your bottom of the shelf or back of the shelf, like, can't seem to sell palettes, feels a little insulting. All right, I got these lashes in Sophisticated. These actually look pretty cute, a little more voluminous, or if that's the word, I don't know. I got the blush palette that literally everyone else got. Like, we've been through this. We know what this looks like. But just in case if you don't. No fucking way. This is unacceptable. I have not handled my package, like, without care in any way. So, okay, I was already annoyed that the palettes were kind of subpar, but this just is the icing on the cake. Anyways, back to what I was saying about holding brands accountable. Like, I feel like brands like Jeffree Star set a certain, hello cat, set a certain expectation when putting out mystery boxes. So the fact that Morphe feels like it's okay to give their customers like kind of crappy products and, I don't know, rake in that profit and know that there's nothing we can do about it, like, it just goes to show you that as a consumer, that's kind of your responsibility to next time not support products like these that are going to be gimmicky and, you know, like just a cash grab. So yeah, I guess that's what we have to learn from this. Anyways, as I'm talking to you, I'm unboxing the lip products that I got. Let's see. This one, that's really pretty. This one is in the shade Dominate, and it's a kind of pinky toned red, which isn't something I have, so that is cool. Let's see. This one is a lip crayon, and it's in the shade Thanks. THX. Ew! Oh my god. That's fucked. I barely even touched that, and it already, like, crackled and melted. See, this is what I'm talking about. Like, the fact that Morphe thinks it's okay to put out products like this when they're, like, loyal customers. Like, my biggest concern when first ordering the box was that it would be a palette that I already had, because I bought so many freaking Morphe palettes. So the fact that they feel like they can give their customers shit like this just is really kind of eye-opening and upsetting. But whatever. At the end of the day, it's a makeup brand that I could either support or not support, so I'll be keeping this in mind when they might put out products like this once again. just gonna stick to the collaborations that I know I can trust, because this is really disappointing. Here's the gloss. It's in the shade, it's in the shade Boho. I'm kind of glossing over all the products because I don't know about you, but like I said in the beginning, I've been watching mystery box unboxings for like the past week now, as I've been waiting to receive my package. So I feel like if you want to know what everyone got, just watch any of the other videos and you'll likely see all the same kind of subpar products that it looks like Morphe couldn't sell, so they just said, here, have it in a mystery box. Value, and in reality, like, no one wanted these products in the first place. So I guess that brings us to the end of the video. A little recap on what I got in each box. I got 3 brushes in the big box, 3 lip products. One, keep in mind, this one literally crumbled as I swatched it, which is not okay. This one is really pretty. I'm excited about this. This gloss looks like a nice neutral, like not really sparkly moment for every day. This blush palette, I cannot believe that happened. Like, I was already underwhelmed by the quality of this box, but this just, I'm letting you guys know so that you don't make the same mistake as I did and buy shitty products from Morphe because you have the expectation of a Jeffree Star mystery box when this is what you're getting. Like a cool toned shimmer palette that looks like it could have been from Claire's, and okay, so I guess thank you for watching. Sorry if this was underwhelming and disorganized, but these were my first impressions, and honestly I was kind of like hoping for at least one of the boxes to get like a nice brand collaboration palette, but that was not the case. I got what everyone else got. I hope you enjoyed this. Comment if you have any questions about the box or anything else. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.